Today we're showing you a 2022 New Holland T5.120 tractor. Tractor is just under 300 hours on it. Very nice tractor. Has the full cab heat and air. Also is the ElectroCommand transmission, so that is the power shift transmission, so much nicer than the standard transmission that comes in these tractors. Also has a loader prep package, got the frames and the joystick as well as the hydraulic connections right at the center of the tractor. So very nice setup here. If you want to add a loader down the road, you certainly can do so. It does have a full rack of front weights here that'll go with the machine. Also has a front grill guard, and again that loader prep package as we were talking does have that right here with the hose connections and the loader frame right there ready to go. It's got the deluxe cab with the visibility window in it. Has the mirrors on both sides, front fenders, Firestone radial tires look practically new. Steps and doors on both sides, rear fender extensions. Has 3 sets of rear wheel weights, 184R34s in the back here. Fender back here, you have 3-point and PTO switches, rear work lights and rear wiper. Triple remotes back here. Has capability of doing 540 or 1000 PTO. Drawbar and top linker with the machine. Extendable 3-point arms. Does have cab suspension as well. So the list just kind of keeps on going. This tractor is very well equipped. I'll show you the inside of the cab here as well. Does have the cold weather package here. This guy flips open there. Has a buddy seat here on the side. Air ride seat. That's the deluxe air ride seat for the operator. That seat is heated. Also has the loader joystick built right into the armrest. And then on that joystick there are also some shift controls in the front of that, so you can actually shift the transmission with that joystick. Main transmission lever is over here. Has high-low range and then an 8-speed power shift within each range. So you can shift 8 times without clutching. And then your reverser is over here for forward reverse. Over here to the right you have all your 3-point hydraulic PTO controls, and then also all your switches for your 4-wheel drive, differential lock, engine management system, etc. Climate controls, light switches are on the cab post there, and then up top you've got the radio. And then again it does have the visibility window in the roof of the cab. Very nice tractor. Again, just under 300 hours. Excellent condition, late model, and loader prep. Fixed rates. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at maskedtractor.com.